For developers, how is it possible to finish GPU instance deploying in only 3 steps? This video is going to show you how. First, you can choose the template you need. Novita AI provides you popular templates like PyTorch, TensorFlow, CUDA, and Llama. In this video, we choose CUDA as an example. Then select the number of servers here. In the second page, disk capacity can be altered here. And for advanced developing, developers can modify configuration. For more instructions, you are welcome to refer to our GPU instance document. After setting, you are suggested to have a final check about the usage you choose and the cost. Then click Deploy. After transmission, we finish the GPU instance deploying. Now you can go on your developing. Check all these on Novita AI.